does a toilet works? Come here, I will show to you.
This is an overview of how a toilet works. First, let's go over the different parts of the toilet. The handle, tank, bowl, fill valve, flush valve, overflow tube, and flappers. When the handle is pushed, it pulls up on a chain connected to a flapper. The flapper lifts and releases the tank water down the flush valve into the bowl. The water then goes through the trap and into the main drain. Once the tank is empty, the flapper closes, forming a seal in the tank until the next time the handle is pushed. The fill valve turns on and brings water into the tank. Water will flow through the base of valve and through the refill tube to the overflow tube. As the water rises in the tank, the internal float rises and stops the water from entering the tank.
Understand? Guys, the tank is leaking. So noisy. What happened?
Did you know how to fix this problem?
The fill valve is part of the toilet that is responsible for refilling the tank each flush.
Over time, a fill valve may become worn or out of adjustment due to normal wear on the valve's component.
There are two possibilities of toilet leakage. First, because of broken fill valve. Second, because of broken flush valve seal for flapper.
First, shut off the water to the tank by shut off the valve. Turn the valve clockwise to stop water supply into the tank. Next, remove the tank lid. Then, drain as much water out of tank as possible by holding flush level down until toilet is completely flush. Next, sponge or towel out any remaining water in the tank. The water supply tube or hose that connects the water supply valve to the fill valve. Loosen the lock nut that holds the fill valve to the tank by turning it clockwise. Then, remove the old fill valve. Next, install the new fill valve. Now, we reconnect the nut that holding the fill valve as well as the supply line. Turn it anti-clockwise. Lastly, turn both to anti-clockwise.
First, simply remove the flipper. After remove the flipper, install the new flipper and reconnect the chain to the handle. Then shut off the valve by turning it anti-clockwise to make sure the water fills up. Once the water rises up in the tank and you won't hear any more leaks, you can flush it and you test for any leaks. If any leaks, check if nuts are all tightened. And final step, close the